Now that the wrap is complete, I really wanted to do something to preserve the wrap, since I did spend about $700 on the roll and a lot of time on this. I wanted this to last as long as possible, so I went ahead and bought some ceramic coating. Now I heard of this product from Devin Yamela, I think that's how you pronounce his name. I saw him use this on his FRS. He had a discount code for 25 bucks off, and they claim that this works on vinyl wrap as well. It'll just make cleaning it a lot easier. It'll make it more shiny and make it look really good overall. So I've never actually used ceramic coating, but this is what it looks like. Pretty nice packaging. Armor Shield 9 Nano Ceramic Coating. Okay, excuse all the mess, but this is my little workspace for now. So when you open the box, you get like a little thank you card, and then you get a sticker, and then that is the small bottle of ceramic coating. Behind that is a microfiber towel, a glove, and some more, I don't know what these are called, but this is basically where you're gonna drip the ceramic coating onto and then apply it onto the car. Oh, and this is the little foam applicator, so you put that over this and that's how you're gonna apply it. I believe these are gonna be the instructions. Yep. So when you buy this, they actually send you like an email on how to apply it. So I've actually already gone through it, and I think I have an idea of how to use it. But basically what they want you to do is clean the car, clay bar it, polish it. But in my case, I got vinyl wrap, so it's already brand new. It's pretty much never been outside yet. But yeah, you wanna wash it, clay bar it, polish it, and then wipe down with isopropyl alcohol, which I've already done. So right now the car is pretty spotless. So in the email, excuse my cracked screen, it says that it is highly recommended to try it in an inconspicuous area, just so I can have an idea of what it's like. So probably gonna do it right here, which is where the license plate is gonna be at. I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. Alright, so I got my glove on, only on one hand for now. I don't know if you're supposed to get ceramic coating on your hands or not, but I just used one glove for my main hand. So I have this cloth over the applicator pad, and it says to shake the bottle and then apply like 10 drops onto here until it's kind of wet, and then just kind of go across the surface in a crisscross pattern. So horizontal and then vertical. And then you use their microfiber towel, which is actually super soft, to buff it off. They say to wait about like 1 to 2 minutes, wipe it off, and then use the other side and then wipe it off again. I don't know how well you can see it, but it looks a little bit darker here right now where the ceramic coating has been coated. So I'm gonna let it sit for about a minute and then I'm gonna dry it off. Alright, so it's been about 1 minute and I'm just gonna wipe it off. So it says to just gently wipe it. So right now this is probably not the best spot to look at. I don't really see a difference, but the main purpose I bought this was just to protect it anyway. So I'm gonna keep coating around the car. I'll have Devin's video in the description because he actually did like a full experiment and stuff where like he used it and then he tested it within like I think like 3 months or something like that. So his video will probably give you like the best idea of how this works. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and ceramic coat the whole car right now, and I'll check back in a bit. They also said that if your cloth kind of feels dry, just add some more drops and then just keep going. So I don't know if it's just me, maybe it's a placebo effect, but I think it looks shinier. So the cool thing about the ceramic coat is, I'm not sure how well you can see it on camera, but you can tell if you left over some ceramic coating, it'll basically just look like something oily on your paint or vinyl or whatever, kind of like that little rainbowy residue. Okay, you can kind of see right here on the roof, see those lines? That's the ceramic coating drying up. So yeah, when you're wiping it down, you can just look for this to see if you missed any spots that you forgot to wipe down. It's pretty simple. It's just kind of time consuming, but it's definitely going to be worth it. Alright, so I just finished the ceramic coating right here. So I don't know if my eyes are playing tricks on me or not, but it definitely looks a lot shinier. On the instructions it says to at least cure for 48 hours, avoid water, rain, snow, and then don't wash the car for like 47 days. So I ended up actually having a lot of extra leftover. I think I'm gonna go over the whole car once again in about a couple hours, because that's what it says on here. And then whatever leftover I got, maybe I'll do the windows. It also says ideally to leave it under the sun where there's no dust, but my street has so much dust and a big old tree with a bunch of sap, so that's not gonna work. So I'm just gonna leave it in the garage for a bit. So it's been 2 days and I've already applied a second layer of ceramic coat. So it should be fully cured now, but check it out. It looks really shiny right now. I haven't cleaned the wheels yet, so I'm gonna give that a clean and then everything will be super shiny. I also had a bunch of leftover ceramic coat, so I went ahead and did the windows all around and the sunroof, and I did the taillights as well. So yeah, another thing I noticed is the ceramic coat actually makes it feel super smooth. Hopefully it stays that way, but who knows. As of right now, it's just super glossy and super smooth. Holy crap, this car is so shiny right now. Super glossy, especially under the sunlight. I also noticed this thing has like a reflective thingy. It looks pretty cool. Holy shit, this color is insane outside. My god, that tint though. Huh. God damn. Alright, so it's been about 2 weeks since I ceramic coated the whole car. Overall, it still looks really good, really shiny, especially under the shade. But for example, right here under the sun, you can see that it is pretty dusty right now. So what I decided to do is I'm gonna grab some water and pour it on there and kind of show like a demonstration. Don't worry, this is just sink water. This isn't drinking water, so I'm not wasting good water. So I think I'm gonna demonstrate on the windshield, because the windshield is coated. So you can see how the water just kind of sheets off and beads up. So I'm just going to do a demonstration on the hood since it's one of the largest pieces. Dang. There's like barely any water on there, just small little beads. Look at all that just sheet off. Holy crap. So this stuff definitely works. Damn, I'm pretty impressed. So yeah, there we go. Armor Shield 9. This is gonna make washing my car so much easier. Again, I'm gonna have Devin's video in the description. He has a more in-depth experiment with the ceramic coating. Mine's just a quick little demonstration. But yeah, overall, I think this is definitely worth it.